Radio Bronglais. Radio Bronglais.
Indeed, this is Radio Bronglais. Good morning, Borodar Ihi. We have got some wonderful guests here in the studio this morning. So what convinced you to come here to Bronglais in the first place?
It's by the sea.
Well, it's just a great atmosphere to work in. Very friendly.
It's just something that I've always wanted to do, is live by the sea.
It's the kind of place where if you accidentally smile and wave at a stranger, they will smile and wave back.
You just live here in a very satisfying but thorough life. It's brilliant.
The friendly nature makes it worthwhile.
How do you keep those standards so high?
Through teamwork, really, within the department.
Teamwork seems to be why we tend to do well in
The auxiliary staff and the medical staff, so there's lots that goes on a day-to-day basis to work to these standards.
You've used the word team so many times during this brief interview, which is a fantastic sign, I think. It shows that there really is a family atmosphere amongst the staff.
Everyone is a name, not a role. Every patient is a patient, not an operation. Communication is excellent within Bronglais. We all know each other.
There's a good management structure, plenty of support, with common goals, really, so we're all trying to achieve the same thing.
You don't have to be a Welsh speaker. Health Board run Welsh courses to support people who are keen to learn, and just that one word can be so significant. There's so much to mention. There's something for everyone, from my teenage children to my 93-year-old father-in-law.
And that sort of support and different experiences and different perspectives is very useful, so it makes my life easier, certainly.
There we are, the people have spoken, so come on down to Bronglais Hospital.